present in more than 120 countries, and their products are distributed by over 6 million members all around the globe. DXN is the 24th biggest direct selling company in the world. The success of DXN is due to the discovery of Dr. Lim Seorji, who recognized the health benefits of an ancient Asian mushroom species, Ganadera, which has been used in traditional Asian medicine for thousands of years. Dr. Lim's vision has been to make these outstanding health products made from Ganadera, also known as linseed, accessible in the whole world, using a unique marketing strategy called One World, One Market.
The dream to, or the vision to establish DXN is on a very early days, even in the midst of crisis. It took over many years from the day we formed the concept that we want to establish DXN until we finally establish DXN. It is a long year. And this long year is not a preparation of the mind. That's why technology is very important to do.
Ganadera contains around 400 bioactive compounds, such as triterpenoids and polysaccharides. Collectively, the Ganadera species are being investigated for a variety of therapeutic benefits: anti-cancer and immunoregulatory effects, antioxidant activities, liver-protecting, hypoglycemic and antibacterial effects, as well as reducing blood cholesterol, while also having antiviral and antifungal properties. With the usage of cutting-edge technology in the processing plant, DXN is
another historic moment in DXN Philippines and the entire DXN world. Are you ready for the big reveal? But before that, we would like to call our Chief Operating Officer, Ms. Shirley Goh, and Country Manager, Mr. Rakesh Bandi, on the stage to lead today's revelation.
Industry has granted its seal of legitimacy, or SOL, to DXN International Private Limited, the direct selling company that actively affiliated with the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines, or DSAP, to receive such prestigious seal. The seal of legitimacy is a mark that distinguishes legitimate multi-level marketing and direct selling companies from relevant schemes. With the assessment and analysis on the generous marketing plan, DXN has significantly fulfilled the requirements thus granted with the seal by the DTI as legitimate direct selling and multi-level marketing company. This is indeed another proud moment to the entire DXN world, adding another feather in the cap, a significant milestone to our business partners across the globe. This is the seal of legitimacy from the Department of Trade and Industry.
traditionally begin our program. We would like to welcome each and everyone. At syempre, meron tayong masayang pag-welcome sa ating mga members and sa ating mga bisita. So, simulan po natin ang napakasayang pagre-reveal na inaantay ng lahat.
Tama ka dyan, Miss Jules. So para mag-umpisa at huwag na nating patagalin pa, for sure to every one of us today ay talagang excited because of this is part of only ng ating team reveal today. So sige Miss Jules, umpisa na natin at huwag na nating patagalin pa. To start off ang ating program, siyempre hindi mawawala sa atin ang ating traditional DXN Club. Tama po ba? Puro hindi na sanay.
Parang ano pa, excited, pa sila.
Yes.
They were so surprised with the reveal of the seal of legitimacy.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Good morning, DXN!
DXN Pilipinas! DXN Pilipinas! Okay, sabay-sabay.
Are you excited? Okay, let us do the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Ulo, DXN Pilipinas, numero 1! Ayun nga po, ulitin natin.
Magandang umaga. Kumusta sa inyo lahat? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to such a great event, for last 25 years and in this industry, and I welcome you all for such a great level of the DTI. So firstly, I would like to welcome from the DTI officers, Ms. Perpetua, Officer in charge and Assistant Director, and Ms. Karlin, Technical Staff. And I also take honor to invite our DSAP officers, Ms. Mary and Ms. Celine, for just coming all the way here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Also, I would like to welcome my Crown ambassadors, the person we all here for and who bring the DXN to Philippines, Mr. Jaime Kidding and Mr. Marlon Mapa and Ms. Jeff Acosta and all my Crown diamonds and my active diamonds and my lovely service centers and all my members. Welcome you all.